trades for 30 minutes a day. This is going to be our first video series. And what trade are we going to be working on? We're going to be working on carpentry. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start out with some simple projects. This week we're going to start on some simple closet storage shelving. And we're going to work on it for only 30 minutes a day. And we're going to see what we can get done. It's probably going to take this whole week and probably next week. And we're going to work on a couple of different closet storage shelving projects. And hopefully we will be able to progress into some more in-depth and advanced woodworking. And we're going to do it all in just 30 minutes a day. So let's see what we got done this week.
Talk to me honestly. I'm here.
This week. Now let me preface this by saying I'm probably going to forget something, but I've kept a log and it's all in the description below. If you have any questions, just give me a holler and I'll answer back as quick as I can. So this is what we've built this week. So far, in 30 minutes a day, we've completed this portion of our closet storage unit. We started with a 15-30 seconds sheet of plywood. We cut it at 15 inches deep, so that sets the depth in for our shelves. We set our height at whatever you want. This one's set to a little over 5 feet. Then what we did was we laid out our sides side by side and we ran channels to put our shelves in with a router and a 1/2 inch bit. Then we cut our shelf width. Our tops and our bottom is made with 3/4 inch plywood. It's going to have a little more strain on it because it doesn't have a brace running across the bottom. And this is also going to hold the French cleat system. We put our shelves in. Each one, we ran them through the channel. We cut a channel along the bottom here, inside, to run our hardboard, our 1/8 inch hardboard. The kerf on our blade is about 1/8 inch. So that's for our hardboard. Put our shelves in, flushed them up with the front. We used a finishing nailer and some about 1 inch wood screws. Then we ran our hardboard down the back, which was a lot of fun. Then we put our braces, which were just used again with some scrap 3/4 inch plywood. and this is about an inch tall. And all that's going to do is in the future keep this shelf from bowing. And now what we've done, our last step we've done this week is we've started to put wood putty on it. We're going to cover up some of our spots here where we're not quite met flush. Some of the plywood has some blemishes to it. In the future, I think what we may do is we may invest in some sanded plywood, which will keep us from having to fill in these blemishes, and it'll be a higher quality plywood. So that's what we've done this week, y'all, and we're going to go ahead and get after our next 30 minutes this next week. If you have any questions, please give me a holler. This is Jack of all trades signing off till next week. Later, y'all.